Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Stupid Fat Cat, and today we're going to take a look at how to spin up a Minecraft Bedrock server on AWS Lightsail. This is going to be a relatively short video, so stay tuned. Lightsail is basically DigitalOcean, but on Amazon or on AWS. So let's go to the AWS console real quick. And you see that I'm already logged in, I think. Am I already logged in? I should be already logged in. There we go. And let's go to Lightsail. It's really straightforward. We just create a new instance. We want it to be OS only. Ubuntu, long-term support. I'll pick the cheapest one, but if you wanted more processing power, memory, storage, you can add more. Like if you had more people playing on your server. Let's call that Minecraft Bedrock. Create a new instance. It should only take a moment. Alright, now that we are connected, it's running. All we have to do is come here, click on it, and we need to add a new firewall rule in order to allow it to connect. So let's add a new rule, go to networking, add a new rule. It's going to be a custom UDP rule, and the port is, I believe, 192. We can change that later if it's the wrong one. Let's create that. Do note the public IP. And now that we're done with that, we basically now connect to it. Okay, I think we're good. All right. Now that we're connected, all we have to do is run a few commands to update things. Sudo apt-get update. It shouldn't take too long. Sudo apt-get install unzip. We do need unzip in order to unzip some of the files. I did install it off camera, but then I forgot to record this, so doing it again. That's why nothing got installed, but trust me, you do need to install it. So now we will wget this file. Now note the version number. Sometimes you might need a different version number for the server. For that, just go to the Bedrock Minecraft website and check what version it ends up downloading and change your URL as according to what you need. Alright, now that it's downloaded, let's just unzip that. Unzip Bedrock. We'll create a run.sh file. LD library path is equal to / bedrock server. And once we save that file, we'll add execution rights for the run.sh file and the Bedrock server. Alright, now that we have that, we can run this. Excellent. Server has been started. So let's start the game. Oh, that's bright. Minecraft, that's very bright. It's okay. Now, remember the public IP that we had before? We're gonna need that. You can also see that from the terminal down here. In my case, it's 18236, blah, 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 but yours will be different. Okay, there we go. Now it's capturing correctly. Let's click on play, server, add server. Let's call that AWS. Server address is 18.236.93.61. The port is 19132, which we whitelisted previously. Let's save that. Join server. And you can see that on the terminal, it does say that I've connected to the server. Excellent. This is perfect. Means it's working. Whoa, where am I? Okay, this is a pretty good starting point. I like it. I'm in this little island thing. But you can see the game is working. But, word of caution, this server is out there in the internet. Anyone can connect to it. Anyone with the IP and the port combination can connect to it. So we might want to change some stuff. Now let's quit out of this for a moment. What we want to do is go back to the terminal and let's enable whitelisting. What that does is that it lets you set who has ability to connect to it based on their xuid and their username. So, hold on a second. Oh no. Hold on. So let's go to the file, and there should be a whitelist entry here. Let's flip that switch to true. And of course, if we try to connect to it now, let's start the server real quick again. Once we start the server and we try to connect to it, it says that we're not invited to play on the server. That's a quick fix. So remember how we had the username and the xuid before? All we have to do is add an entry in the whitelist JSON file. And if you have more players, just add a comma and another entry with the necessary information. It's not prettified, but that's fine. Now, if we were to run this again, it says server started, so I'm gonna join server again. And now it lets me join. So that's effectively how you whitelist on a server. It's great. But there's one more catch. Now, if I were to close this terminal, it will actually stop the server. Eventually, it will disconnect you from the server. But that's okay. Let's not worry too much about that. What we can do is that we can use something like screen or tmux, or we can use nohub. Let's quickly go back into the terminal here. Connect using SSH. And what we'll do is effectively, we just want it to say run in the background even when I disconnect. So nohub, run SSH, and the %. Now it's pushing all the output into the nohub file. So if we cat this file, you'll see that the server has started indeed. We can close this and join here, proceed. We did see that the ping was at 17, so that's pretty good ping. And we're back at where we were. Let's grab some stuff. Let's play a little bit. But effectively, we have now spun up a Minecraft server for fairly cheap. It's $3.50 a month. Have fun, I guess. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you didn't, then feedback is always appreciated. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.